Hi, I'm Michele, a professional learning specialist here at Khan Academy and a former classroom teacher just like you. Meet Conmigo, your AI-driven companion who's revolutionizing teaching for a more engaging and efficient experience. Conmigo has many exciting features that support teachers, and this video will showcase ways that you can use Conmigo to create course-specific social studies content to enhance the learning experience for all of your students. Throughout this video, we'll explore ways Conmigo can assist you with creating unique and engaging lesson plans and student-centered activities that get students excited about social studies while saving you time. Ready to see the teaching assistant you've always wanted? Let's take a look. This is Conmigo's dashboard, brimming with a multitude of unique time-saving features, all tailored to elevate your teaching experience. Let's begin with the lesson hook feature. Igniting a love for social studies may be tough, but it's incredibly rewarding when successful. With Conmigo's support, I'm set to create engaging lesson starters that stir students' interest in history. Our next adventure is going to be The Great Awakening, and this will be for my 9th grade class. Conmigo, could you please create some lesson hooks for me? These activities are terrific. The first one incorporates a debate. The next one includes my students creating a timeline of events. And then the last one has my students analyzing excerpts from diaries or letters from individuals who lived during that time. This will definitely get my students excited about this topic. Thanks, Conmigo. All right, having sparked my students' curiosity in this subject, it's time to craft a compelling lesson with Conmigo's lesson plan feature. This tool will assist in creating a detailed lesson plan, aligning with my curriculum and addressing my students' needs. Upon selecting the lesson plan button, Conmigo invites me to detail the topic I'm preparing to teach. Once provided, a range of topics from Conmigo's exceptional courses appear for selection. If my topic isn't listed, Conmigo allows me to select my own content. Upon selecting the lesson plan button, Conmigo invites me to detail the topic I'm preparing to teach. The Great Awakening. Once provided, a range of topics from Conmigo's exceptional course library appears for selection. Also, if my topic isn't listed, Conmigo invites me to select my own content. I'm going to go with the first one, The Great Awakening. And as soon as I find the topic that I want a lesson plan for, I select the button, and immediately Conmigo gets to work generating a well-structured, detailed lesson plan, custom-made for my curriculum and my students. Once crafted, I can review the objectives, the warm-up activities, what we're doing for direct instruction, what we're doing for guided practice, independent practice, exit ticket questions, you name it, it's included. And if there's a part of the lesson I don't like, all I have to do is click on it, it'll highlight it, and Conmigo gives me a couple of prompts to choose from. I can chat about it, I can make changes to it directly, or I can just ask Conmigo to try something different. I like that much better. Thanks so much, Conmigo. Another innovative feature is the leveler, which enables me to adjust the complexity of text to match my students' reading abilities, fostering personalized instruction and catering to each student's needs. In my U.S. Civics class, we're exploring government branches, and I found an article about the judicial branch that would be perfect for my next lesson. However, some of my students grapple with reading comprehension, but you know what? I don't have to worry about that. I can use Conmigo's leveler feature to tailor the text, ensuring it's digestible and that the concepts are clear for all of my students. I just have to include the topic and then copy and paste the original text in the box and let Conmigo know what reading level I'd like this to be. I want this to be on a 7th grade level, please. And then Conmigo will rewrite it for me. Conmigo rewrote the entire article for me at a 7th grade level. Once the article is rewritten at the 7th grade level, I have a few options. I can print the article, or I can export it to Microsoft Word, a PDF, or I can save it to my Google Drive and upload it to my Google Classroom. Once my students complete the article, I'll utilize Conmigo to generate discussion prompts. My aim is to ignite an engaging conversation that fuels curiosity, promotes involvement, and fosters an intellectual dialogue. I'm going to be doing this with my 11th grade civics class, and we are going to be discussing the judicial branch. With a simple click, Conmigo crafts a variety of stimulating discussion starters, promising to inspire the rich discourse I desire for my students' learning journey. As a social studies teacher, I need to connect historical events and concepts to current events and students' personal experiences. This helps make the subject matter more relatable and engaging for them, enhancing their understanding and interest. Conmigo's Make It Relevant feature allows me to do just that. I just have to let Conmigo know my learning objective, and then I have to let Conmigo know a little bit about my class. My students love sports. Now, Conmigo, please make it relevant. I love this idea. Conmigo has my students analyzing Supreme Court cases through a sports lens. They are going to love this. As you can see, integrating Conmigo into your classroom routine empowers you to tailor Conmigo's ideas and suggestions to your social studies curriculum while factoring in student needs, learning objectives, and creative resources. Conmigo's insights will not only enrich the learning experience for your students, but it will also free up your time, enabling you to concentrate on what truly matters most, your students. Thank you for watching this video and for being part of our teaching and learning community. To learn more about how Conmigo can support you and your students in the classroom, follow the links on your screen. And to never miss exciting announcements about new free course materials on Khan Academy, be sure to subscribe.